Beetroot benefits and few side effects. Beetroot benefits and side effects for health. It considered as a superfood due to its amazing health benefits. This red color fruit increase the iron level in the blood. Beetroot also very helpful to treat many kind of disease. Mostly people take beetroot in the form of salad and juice. Beetroot is a good source of iron and treats iron deficiencies in women. Folic acid in it helps to increase blood HB. Red or pink color of the beetroot is due to betanin pigment. Beetroot is also good source of magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and iodine, vitamin like B1, B12 and C along with antioxidants present in beetroot. In this video we know about benefits and side effects of beetroot in day-to-day life. From controlling blood pressure to muscle strengthening, beetroot has many benefits. Beetroot boosts energy levels. Physical activity like exercise, gym workout and yoga, all these needs muscle strength. More time to work out means more energy required to do more work. It is possible when good and sufficient amount of oxygen reach to the muscle. According to many research, it is proved that beetroot provides more energy to the muscle for workout. Nitrates of beetroot helps in blood flow, cell signaling and maintaining hormone level. Overall it works to provide high energy to the body. Beetroot benefit in pregnancy and anemia. Anemia is the most common condition during pregnancy. Anemia means low blood HB or deficiency of iron. Folic acid is necessary for pregnant women and it is present in beetroot. It is always advisable to eat beetroot during pregnancy for good HB and baby's health. Neural tube of fetus needs folic acid for proper development. As compared to other vegetables, beetroot contain high amount of iron which is very essential for pregnant women. Beetroot benefits for heart stroke and its related problem can be prevented by regular consumption of beetroot. Beetroot also help to transfer oxygen to the muscles, so that the one will not feel weak and can do physical activity easily. Sometimes deficiency of oxygen to the heart leads to problem. So beetroot is good for heart health and overall health. Beetroot for liver, calcium, vitamin B and iron are very important for liver health. Beetroot contains above things along with antioxidants which keep liver healthy. Bile secretion increases with regular intake of beetroot. High fiber content of beetroot beneficial for liver. Beetroot juice use is detox juice for liver. Beetroot benefits for brain. Brain cell communication speed affects brain function. Brain function faster when nitric oxide is present. Beetroot juice contain nitrates which can easily convert into nitric oxide. So regular uptake of beetroot juice can increase the brain working efficiency. Beetroot side effects. Color of urine changes to red or pink. Excessive consumption leads to constipation and diarrhea. Kidney stone patients avoid taking beetroot because it may increase risk of stones in urine. Low blood pressure patient avoid eating beetroot because it cause low BP.